Hi there, students. Rime. R-I-M-E. Yes, it sounds exactly like to rhyme, as in rhyme, chime, uh, thine, all rhyme. But this word's different. Rhyme is a noun. You could have the adjective rhymey as well. Rime is another word for frost. Frost is when it's really cold outside in winter and all of the plants are covered in this white ice. Yeah? Okay, this is rime. Rime is particularly when it tends to grow on the outside, and rime can look really, really beautiful. Rime is caused by fog that is super cooled. It's way below 0 degrees centigrade, and it comes into contact with a surface and it freezes. And you get all sorts of wonderful patterns resulting from the rime. Yeah, so I don't know, the windows were covered in water where the rime had melted in the sun. I went for a walk in the woods on a very cold morning, and there was rime over everything. The rime was just so beautiful. Yeah, it was something that made me really happy. So it's like this opaque coating of tiny granules of white ice. Yeah, in British English you could also call it a hoarfrost, H-O-A-R frost, and it's just caused by the freezing of droplets of water or tiny pieces of water vapor. Yeah, from the water vapor in fog. So yeah, everything was covered with a hoarfrost. It was covered with rime. Sometimes when I've been out working very early in the morning when it's really cold, rime actually forms on my beard. Yeah, and I find rime over my beard, which is quite an interesting experience. But that's normally when it's very cold. Okay, so yeah, this rime, frost, a coating, covering something. I think you could probably also use this word rime to talk about a coating of something dirty, for example, a coating of mud or something like that. There was rime all over the bathroom. I don't know, but it was rather disgusting. You could use it like that, but I think that's much less common. Okay, so rime, effectively frost or a hoarfrost. Formality. This to me sounds rather literary. I think I'd probably give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. Everything was covered in rime. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I think informally I'd just say frost. In a semi-formal conversation, maybe just a semi-formal writing, something that sounds literary, poetic, descriptive, something like that. And let's see, as to origin, it comes from Proto-Germanic rimas, or rima, meaning a hoarfrost, which is rime, from Proto-Indo-European cray, meaning to streak or to touch. Okay, so rime, ice crystals formed on things because it's really cold outside. Yeah, and then maybe a slimy film or coating of something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rime.